Hello and welcome to the 1K Refold decks on Traverse. In this video I'll walk you through how you can start using those decks. If you've been sent a link to a 1K Refold deck, you will land on something like this, which is basically a preview of the deck. The decks are separated into several days. You can navigate by just clicking to the next day here. Or you can get the overview by clicking the map here. And to start reviewing the flashcards of those decks, you need to create your own copy, which you can do here. If you don't have an account yet on Traverse, you will need to create one. And once you've created an account, you will then be able to click this button. And a few seconds later, it will be copied here into your own account. And those cards for the first day, they are automatically added to your reviews. You can then go through your reviews by clicking this button here. You can either just use the simple incorrect, correct buttons or click more to have more options here. And here you can set your spaced repetition schedule. Then the next day you can go to next page and those cards will be added to your reviews as well. If you don't like the number of cards that is added each day, you can rebalance your reviews at any time. There's an explanation here in the first page on how to do that. So good luck.